I guess we're overdue for a check-in. Maybe you've been here a long time, maybe you're just now meeting me. How did I get here? A long, long time ago, when I started my first private practice out here in San Francisco, I learned a lot of things the hard way. I had to get my own clients, set my fees, find an office. And I figured, well, if I'm learning all this stuff, I might as well share it with others. So I started Private Practice Workshop. That business took me on a pretty amazing adventure. Everything from my fully booked course to flying to Hawaii to speak at a conference to hosting in-person events in Nashville, Tennessee just before COVID. And then what happened? Well, I kept doing my thing, just posting less often because making content is exhausting. Doing it consistently is exhausting. I posted YouTube videos to this channel every week for over like 2.5 years. And I'm glad I did because it helped my business get to like a critical mass, but it was also exhausting. During COVID, also my first child was born. About 9 months ago, my second child was born. And I've been focused on that among lots of other things. I started a new group practice in 2021 in San Francisco called Calm Again Counseling, and that has grown to around 10 clinicians. It's a trauma practice, it's focused on teaching, and it's going really, really well. It gives me a lot of meaning. I get to earn a great income from it. I get to focus on what I love the most, which is teaching. I'm also chipping away at my PhD in counselor education and supervision. So I've got a lot of things going on. I'm doing my own clinical work. Again, lots of teaching and supervision, mentoring clinicians, really growing my community here of clinicians, both my current clinicians and my alumni of the practice. And it's been a lot of fun. I'm always exploring my hobbies, whether that's surfing or most recently jiu-jitsu, so I'm doing that a lot. And about 2 years ago, I started a new brand, basically, or really it's just my personal brand, John Clarke Therapy. I had hit a wall clinically, and so I needed to basically start over. I took some time off from being a therapist and then came back and discovered IFS, Internal Family Systems, that really changed everything for me. And so when I discovered IFS, I went, as I do, headfirst into it and didn't look back. Learned everything I could and started teaching everything that I knew about it. And so I started a new podcast called Going Inside. That's been going on for like 2 years now. And I have a new Instagram for that, John Clarke Therapy. And so I guess I've been focusing more on the clinical side of me than the business side of me. Well, this channel now is going to be about both. So what was once Private Practice Workshop, I'm just calling this channel John Clarke Therapy, and then my other one is Going Inside for the podcast. And then this one's going to be about both clinical work and business. It's going to be about both because, as you can see, life is about both. And this, my story has been about both. I don't know what the future will hold in terms of me publishing here, but for people that have been bearing with me for however many years I've been doing this, thank you. For people that are interested in learning from me, great. If you want to notice what I'm doing as a lesson itself, it's about building a personal brand. Even if I don't know exactly where this is going or what I'm going to do next or the products I'm going to launch next, I'm trying to build a brand that's centered around me and who I am, and people can get to know me and like me or not. And through that, I can grow an audience, I can grow an email list, and then I can offer products and services. One of my main services right now is Pathways to Self. It's a consultation group for trauma therapists. We meet every single week. It's going amazingly well. We've got a great group of clinicians in there, and it wasn't too hard to launch, and that's all because of the Going Inside podcast. So that's kind of where I'm at for now. That's how I got here. But if you're interested in building a brand online, do what I'm doing. Just start making content, start talking to the camera, even if you don't know where it's going, like in this video. Start building an email list, have a really simple lead magnet, engage that email list, stick with one platform for at least a year, or ideally publishing weekly for 2 years, whether that's Instagram or a podcast or YouTube or whatever, and just try. Teach what you know. Teach what you teach your clients in session. And before you know it, you've got a whole new business that you're growing. So hope that's helpful. Hope you appreciate the check-in. And yeah, if you're here, thanks for being here. And if you're not interested in what I'm doing, that's okay too, because I'm not for everyone. Okay, see you soon.